It is 4:43 p.m. this afternoon, somewhere on the eastbound on this CSX train is coming approaching at the ML Tower, head towards the getting into the Bridgeport sub. So, but I noticed the PRS on this train action is coming in into. So, all right, waiting for the after passing the locomotive passing. So, let's check it out. Here we go. Yep, there it is. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. It must be m316-21 eastbound mixed freight train. It is. Alright, we got the CSX m316-21 eastbound mixed freight train. Headed towards the destination to the Cumberland, Maryland, and Allegheny County in higher elevations, heading east on Main 2. Let's check it out. Here we go.
Hopefully I took care of it. Sorry, bud. Train coming.
Yep.
Is there a train coming?
Yep. We got a freight train today, though.
I don't see no train.
They headed towards the Cumberland, Maryland yard.
Hey, I know
Where
that
the
yard.
destination
That's the old Chissy yard.
Yeah.
I know my grandpa worked there for like 30 years.
Yeah.
He was a chief diesel mechanic.
Yeah.
Top man on the East Coast.
Yeah.
He worked on all the big ones, big dogs up there,
Yeah.
big engines. He's the only one who got to weld them a certain way. Do some kind of welding to them.
Yeah. Oh no, not again. But the train was still slow.
Here's about chart itself. About 5 o'clock songs. I was watching for an hour. Whoever got some, tell them that. Right, like, he's up there, Chris will know. Right.
Ready, go.
Be in for yourself, you know, put your X whatever, but I don't know, tell me what you saw, what they saw. You can't make it less before 7 o'clock. You can't let him get on there. He gonna lose it. He's like that. He absolutely meant to touchdown. Yesterday, they said he took it 420.
Well, folks, listen. m316-21 just stopped at the m signal. m on track lane 2 twice. But we got the westbound train coming. m317-21 westbound mixed freight train headed towards the to the to the siding on track 1. So we're waiting for the next train comes right after this on this video. So similar to the train of CSX m316-21 eastbound mixed freight train. That train originates from the Cincinnati, Ohio, from Queensgate Yard, heads east to the Cumberland, Maryland, where it terminates at the Cumberland Yard. After works from the Russell, Kentucky, Grafton, and Kaiser, West Virginia, Rowan routes on that point. So, this is Joshua, your local Central and Southern West Virginia Ram fan, and we are out. Here goes the next video. Roll 'em.